Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Dr. Atif Kazmi, Senior Most Dermatologist in Pakistan. Previously, I was in King Edward Medical College. When I retired, now it is King Edward Medical University. And before that, I was heading the Department of Dermatology in Fatma Jinnah Medical College. And before that, I was heading the Department of Dermatology in Allama Iqbal Medical College, Jinnah Hospital, Lahore. So, this is my brief history regarding my academic career. I have published around 6 books in dermatology up till now, and more than 100 scientific papers have been produced globally as well as locally. Today, as you all know, this era in which we are, a dermatologist has to take care of the skin. The aesthetics have overtaken the traditional dermatology everywhere in the world, and so in Pakistan. So all the pharmaceutical companies, they are coming up with new aesthetic brands, and obviously the aesthetic brands that we are using mainly are because our females in the country, they are the ones who are more interested in getting their skin rejuvenated rather than the male. No doubt the males are not lagging far behind, but I feel that it is the females who are the ones who really keep pressure on their families, if initially on their parents, and then after getting married, the pressure ultimately turns on to the husband for looking after the skin. So today I will be very briefly letting you know regarding the anti-aging skin products, the wrinkling skin products, and then the anti-dandruff shampoos and the serum which would lead to the hair growth on the scalp. The two most common problems that we come across in our country in any age group. Number one is the skin of the face, that is the glow and anti-aging. And number two, the other problem is the hair loss or the hair fall and the dandruff. So I would like to first of all pay my compliments to Helix Pharma, who are again one of the pioneers in aesthetic dermatology in Pakistan. And they have launched a new group of drugs from Rederm Aesthetics. So this is again very heartening to note that pharmaceutical companies, which are known globally as well, are now having their products in Pakistan, and top quality products. Our patients having skin problems, having hair loss problems, do not need to go abroad when pharmaceutical companies like Helix are present in Pakistan. First of all, I would like to mention few products from Rederm Aesthetics, and that is, they have got multiple products, and I am a very fond prescriber of all these products. I have no conflict of interest while I am presenting my talk here, because I only feel that my best friend is my patient. When my patient gets better, that pharmaceutical company should get the credit, because I am not bothered with which company produces which products. My only consideration is that does that product help my patient? And once it helps that patient, then the word of mouth carries from one person to the other person, and then this goes on and on. So I have been prescribing these medicines, large number of medicines by Helix Pharma and Rederm Aesthetics. But then ultimately, as you know, that it's a very competitive world. In the market, there are so many aesthetic companies bringing cosmeceuticals and other topical creams, gels, lotions now available. But then you have to pick and choose from the best. And that is the reason that our type of skin, which is type 4 Fitzpatrick skin, we are neither fair nor black. We are known as brown people. We are known as people having brown skin. So this is the reason that these medicines and these drugs, they are very helpful for us. As a practicing dermatologist with more than 43 years of experience, I feel compelled to share my professional opinion about these remarkable products from Rederm Aesthetics. First of all, I would like to discuss an antioxidant that has been launched by Rederm Aesthetics from Helix Pharma, and that is WIN tablets. It's not WIN, it is WYNN, tablets WIN. And it contains the very famous antioxidant glutathione. Now in market, obviously, there are so many products available having glutathione, but the advantage with this WIN tablet is that the price level is much lesser and cheaper than other competitive glutathione products available in the market. We have to keep an eye on the patient's pocket as well when we are prescribing medicine. This is very important. You cannot prescribe medicine with a very expensive nature to patients who cannot afford. So you have to compare, and ultimately cost effectiveness is very important when we are treating the patients. Now when brightening tablets, you can say, and as you all know, antioxidants are known to be the ones which cause glowing skin, which lead to freshening looks of both males and females. It is the glutathione, which is available by the name brand of WIN, WYNN. It is a drug which is now mostly known to antioxidant, anti-aging supplement. It lightens the skin and it corrects dark spots and pigmentary lesions all over the skin. Our women in Pakistan, they generally develop melasma, which is hyperpigmentation of the skin on the butterfly area of the skin, the cheeks and the bridge of the nose. And that melasma occurs after pregnancies, repeated pregnancies, miscarriages, exposure to sunlight, improper diet. These are the causes. But tablet WIN would be a very beneficial, give you a very beneficial effect to the skin. Then apart from WIN tablets, we have WIN brightening serum and WIN brightening cream as well. So WIN brightening cream is available in the market, and that also leads to further enhancement of the collagen, ultimately leading to the glowing of skin. The skin becomes more fair and pleasing to the patient when the patient goes out for the job or in a social gathering. So the cream and the tablet, both combination, if taken together, would help a lot in patients of melasma, hyperpigmentation, freckles, which are known as ephelides, and ultimately the patient would feel much better when they go into the sun, and the lines and wrinkles on the face, they would get better by the time. Now, apart from tablets WIN, the other very important product launched by Rederm Aesthetics from Helix Pharma is ultimately Fix anti-hair fall and regrowth serum. Fix shampoo is also available. So anti-hair fall is available and hair serum is available. So I am very fond of these products because they immediately, if a young patient comes to you and complains, a female who is not even married, she starts losing her hair, or a male who is college going, a young boy, student or school going, and he starts losing hair. So they develop inferiority complex and they come and say, Doctor Saab, I cannot face anyone because I am so young. I have to get married one day. And what about my hair growth? So here comes the hair serum, Fix hair serum. Fix shampoo is available, and Fix hair serum is the one which obviously you would be amazed to know that it makes the hair very smooth and adds incredible shine to the hairs. I have seen firsthand the struggles my patients have with the pigmentation on the face and the hair loss. The two most important things a patient of skin aesthetics come to me. The rest of the body doesn't matter for the patient. But this is the area. I call this area, the area of the face is the passport to the society. You are only accepted or rejected by your presence on the face. Once there is a proposal for you for marriage. So apart from other formalities, when a girl and a boy have to be engaged or are getting married, the face is of prime importance for both families, whether it is the girl face or the boy's face, and the hairs. So these are so important parts of the life. Has have you ever come across that at the time of marriage, anyone says, get your ultrasound done, get your CBC done, get your X-ray chest done, then I will hand you my daughter. Once I see your X-ray chest, once I see your CBC, no. What they do? They see the face. And the face is pigmented, the face having scars, the face having lentigenes, the hair fall there, the young boy who's getting married becomes bald, a young girl getting married becomes bald. Ultimately, that is the impediment or that obstacle occurs in that marriage. And then ultimately things are no more regarding that proposal. The girl goes into inferiority complex and the boy develops inferiority complex. So this is why I am again and again emphasizing upon these products. Now, the complementing the Tresfix shampoo with Tresfix serum with its advanced formula, it deeply nourishes the hair roots, wipes off dandruff and reduces hair fall, and it improves the overall quality of the hair. My patients have shared with me their satisfaction and with the visible reduction in hair fall and the rejuvenated feeling that they develop after the hairs are grown. What sets Rederm Aesthetics products by Helix Pharma Limited is their long-standing expertise to the pharmaceutical industry, and this is the reason that they are in the market from 1960. So 1960 means it's a long time since these products are being manufactured, and the quality, they don't compromise on them. It is their dedication to research and development as evidenced by their collaboration with Takeda Pharmaceutical Company of Japan. This collaboration has undoubtedly contributed to the excellence and innovation present in their products, making them a trusted choice for both dermatologists, aestheticians, and the patients seem to be very satisfied with these products. As a professional in the field, I highly endorse and recommend products by Rederm Aesthetics, and these products would go a long way in helping the ailing skin disease of the patients. With these products, my patients see significant improvements in their skin and in their hair growth, and ultimately, I am confident that anyone who chooses to incorporate these products into their skin care and hair care routine will equally benefit from the results. So, in the end, I would just like to mention one thing, that don't make pharmaceutical people your friends just for the sake of friends. Your only friends are your patients. Once the patients get better with products, those products are your friends. Those products would help you. Those products carry a mouth of word from one person to the other person. And these products, like as Tresfix shampoo, like as moisturizing cream, Hydra FX moisturizing cream, then Tresfix serum, wind tablets, wind serum, the Solaro sunblock, and ultimately you can see number of products that are available from Rederm Aesthetics by Helix Pharma. So I wish Helix Pharma the best of luck in the future as well. And as they are in collaboration with Takeda Pharmaceutical from Japan, so I would further let them know that this is a good venture. Carry on with a country like Japan who is manufacturing, your collaboration with them, have the best products in the market, and your prices are much nominal. Your prices are within the pocket range of middle class and lower middle class people. So this is what matters in our country. Always remember, a good doctor is one who prescribes the best medicines with a very cost-effective price. That would turn out to be the hallmark of a good doctor and a patient relationship. Thank you very much, and hope that you would be using these products and give us your feedback so that we can ultimately decide what to do and how to go beyond this. Assalamu alaikum.